When we entered first year college, there were already women already there. No, when we entered first year high school, actually. Well, you see, being an all-boys school, you know, I mean, you had pent-up emotions there. And so you had the extremes, basically. Some were trying to protect themselves as public, saying, "Hey, I want to go to Marinol, I want to go to this school." The other was just keep quiet, kumbaga, chope. I was one of them. You want to know that? Way back in school year, high school year 74, 75 year, yeah. I would say rowdy. I mean, you had a mixture. A lot of guys were really super intelligent. They really used to study and even help out their classmates. You had another group was really rowdy. Things like burning the garbage can or shouting invectives at the teachers. Or in fact, nagkaroon pa kami ng sabong. I mean, nagkaroon ng manok, may sabong. Si Mang Narsing pa yung nag-Kristo. Janitor. That was way back. That was school year 77, 78. I remember that precisely. And then that was even the time, well, time 76, 70, 12, 78. You had these big boom boxes. So during recess and lunchtime, you had loud music, really loud music from the boom box. And what else would there? There was the class president would say, "All right, boys, ramble." When he says ramble, everybody starts throwing chalk at one another. I even got hit by a screwdriver. So. But again, yeah, you get broken windows, you get broken lights. From that point of view. But you know, what's good is, I mean, I think the discipline was still there. I think the respect for administration was still there, because even if you see the teacher 30, 40, 50 meters away, everybody just stops. They know when to stop. They know when to say, "Okay, guys, it's time for the library. I'm not doing well." 1981, while people were already in the graduating, you know, think of the graduation mode already. People I was who were mature, I still had time to burn the garbage can. Right? Of course, there's a lot of them actually. The 1970s were the times of rambles in the NCAA, the old NCAA. That's why Ateneo left. Oh, really a lot over there.